How to buy Bitcoin on Etoro. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin on Etoro. So in order to buy Bitcoin on Etoro, all you have to do is make sure to log in into your account. And then to begin with, first thing first, you'll have to go ahead and tap the cryptocurrency or the Bitcoin that you wish to buy. So you can just go ahead and type in on the search bar. So after you locate Bitcoin, next page is going to take you to the info. So here you can go through all of the information that is provided. And in order to begin with the procedure, click the trade icon. Look, after that, it's going to ask you to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to purchase. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the amount. And here you can go ahead and select all of these statements. If you want to change it, you can do that as well. Or else you can just simply leave it blank, and then you need to click the buy button in order to confirm it. After that, on the other interface, it's going to take you to the page where you need to go ahead and enter in your bank account details. So since you're buying Bitcoin, you'll need to make sure that you have enough funds or that you've already added the payment source. Only then you can begin with the procedure. As soon as you've done that, confirm all of the information, and then you've successfully bought Bitcoin on Etoro. So in this way, you can buy Bitcoin on Etoro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.